kitchen. Now.
Hi, my name is Bianca. I got two things to show you what I got for Christmas. It's in my bag, and there's two special things what I want to show you. This is my friend Twilight, and the last thing is I got Lalaloopsy for Christmas. These are the two what I got, and I like these ones. And at my other house, somebody gave me another Lalaloopsy, and it was different, and it was not with the baby. It had a mouse, and I had a super fun one. And I got a Dorothy Tea Party book, and it's a new book, and I had a tea set at Mumsy's house. And my horse, Twilight, she got something to show you. She has a horn. She could do magic whatever she wants to. This is Twilight's house, and this thing is from the Lalaloopsy, and you want to see what's in this tin, the strawberry. It is a Lalaloopsy. See? She has wings. You want to see? Look. Her wings spread out. She could fly. Bye. See you again tomorrow.